Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a glam holiday makeup look. I'm obsessed with how it came out. Like, I haven't seen myself this glam in a long time, and I think you're ready to be glam too. Even though this is a glam look, I wanted to make it as easy as possible for you guys, so I'm actually just using one product for my eyes, lips, and cheeks. It is so gorgeous, this beautiful mauve color, and I am feeling so glam for the holiday season, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure to subscribe right here and click the notification bell so you can be a part of the Dom fam. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, the first thing I want to do is lay down the base of my makeup. So I'm going to do my eyeshadow base, my cheek base, and for that I'm going to be using the Peripera Ink Velvet 17 in the shade Rosy Nude. By the way, a portion of this video is sponsored by Peripera. I'm going to apply the base of my eyeshadow with the tint. This is going to give me like a warm, rosy type of glow that's going to last underneath my makeup. It's going to help my makeup come together a little bit better. Peripera is actually Amazon's #1 best-selling lip stain for over a year now, and this is also their most popular universal shade, and the fact that you can use it for your eyes, lips, and cheeks makes everything so much easier. I'm actually going to apply this to my cheeks right now, so we have it underneath the foundation so it looks very natural, and it's gonna look so good. I've been using it underneath my foundation and it just makes everything go by so much easier, quicker, and it lasts literally all day. Like, no reapplication of the cheeks. I'm gonna put it on right now. It is gonna look crazy because I don't have any makeup on and I have like dark circles and everything, but it's going to, at the end, trust the process, because at the end it's gonna really bring everything together, and the fact that I'm using this on my cheeks and lips is going to easily make this look make sense. So I'm just gonna put some on my lips. Oh, it smells so good. It feels like the cushion, the texture is so smooth, velvety. It's like buttery. I don't know if you guys can tell, my lips look softer. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this. Such a pretty, pretty lip. I'm gonna let that kind of do its magic and just stain where it needs to stain. Blends really easily into the skin, which makes it easy. But just make sure you're blending really, really nicely, and you can put on as little or as much as you want. And yeah, so right now that is what we are looking like we just went out in the snow. This is kind of like that all-in-one must-have for the people that love makeup out there. You have cousins, friends, girlfriends, brothers, sisters, whoever's into makeup. This is something that they're gonna like because you can use it everywhere. It's the perfect blush tone. It works great on all skin tones, and it feels literally so amazing. It makes your lips look so smooth. I love this. This is like my favorite stain right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and move on to my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of foundation on. I'm gonna take this one from Dose of Colors. This is the 118 Light Medium. It's gonna give me a little bit more coverage than what I normally put on, but it's gonna look good. So I'm just gonna take that right along the perimeter of my face, and I like to use a brush. It's like my favorite way to put on foundation. Actually, I'm lying. My favorite way to put on foundation is with my hands because it always comes out way better, but I just don't feel like making a mess today. So I'm gonna avoid that process right now. But if I don't do that, then I'll use a brush, and I just love the precision. I'm gonna go back to the eyes. I'm gonna be using the Essential palette for this holiday look, and I'm gonna pick up this shade, which is kind of similar to this one. This is Mammal, and I am just gonna pop that in to the crease area to kind of bring a little bit more of that rosy definition there, and just work it outwards through the crease. Then I'm gonna take that same color and just put it right down on the lower lash line. Pick up Positivity, this matte cream shade, and I'm just going to put it right above the transition shade to soften any edges out and to brighten up the brow bone. Taking this kind of like a contour shade, mixing it in with this one right here, add a little bit more definition to the crease, a bit more smokiness. Actually going to pick up a deeper brown, just mixing them all together really. This is Mocha from the Transition palette. Then I'm gonna take some of this black color, Fearless, with a smaller brush and work that in the same like outer area, but a little bit less into the crease, more on the outer V area. What are you guys doing this Christmas? I have never, actually I think I have spent Christmas at home before, but it's been a really long time since I've done that. and I think we're going to do that this year. Ooh, that looks really good. We might go to Big Bear or Mammoth or something with snow, but we are not going to fly out to the family this year. We stayed at home too for Thanksgiving. We didn't fly out for that either. Just something different, a little change of scenery for the holidays, and just wanting to I don't know why this year we just kind of just don't feel like traveling. We travel a lot and we see our family throughout the year, but we're like, let's just stay home this year. And if we do, let's just somewhere local around California. Let me know if you guys are traveling to see your family, or are you staying home too? What is happening? I've actually heard a lot of people are staying home for the holidays this year, which is interesting, I think. I don't know why everybody's taking that route, but we are. I'm gonna go into a flat brush, and I'm gonna pick up Malmo, which is that soft pinky color. Pat that in right on the inner part of the eye. And then I'm gonna pick up a fluffy brush and just go right over that to make sure we don't have any crazy uneven edges. And when you're blending, make sure you're using a soft hand. I forget this sometimes, I'm just like getting in there, but you're not supposed to really push down on your brush. Just glide over the shadows softly for an easier, softer blend. That way you don't have any like muddy spots or patchy areas. I'm gonna take this liner from Pat McGrath and just line the top of my lash line. Make the inner corner pretty thin, and then for this part I'm gonna drag inwards because I feel like it's easier. Liner's done. I'm just gonna add some lashes now, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back with my lashes. I just want to line like right halfway where my waterline hits there, just because I don't want to close in my eyes too much. Just halfway, and then add a little bit of sparkle in the inner corner. I'm loving this like mauve-y matte glam, so I'm gonna keep that there. I'm gonna take Pretty Kind. I'm gonna work that into my inner corner for a little bit of a glow right there, and maybe just a little bit on the brow bone too. But I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring, so I'm gonna take this NUDESTIX bronze stick in the shade Bondi Bay and just go over my nose a little bit to shape that out a little bit more. I just like more of a button nose, so I just take a little U shape right on the top, and then I take my contour through my brow just so it adds a little bit more attention to the eye area. And right in here, I love this little stick. It's just so handy, and it like fits in all these places. I'm gonna use my foundation brush to blend that out. It's gonna help soften up some of that color. To brighten my under eyes and the center of my face, I'm gonna take the Hourglass Fawn Vanish concealer and just put that right there. You guys, Jaden is gonna be 15 in January. I can't believe I have a whole 15-year-old. If you are new to my channel, I have a son. His name is Jaden, and if you're an oldie bestie, then you already know. But I cannot believe he is literally gonna be in high school. So crazy to me. But I'm gonna let that sit and actually spray some of my Ultra Hydrating Fine Mist from Dominique. I have really, really dry skin, so every product that I've created so far has hydrating properties in it. I love, love, love that Fine Mist. It's super hydrating, but I'm gonna go ahead and start to blend this out. And you guys, usually Jaden does not have a list for Christmas. He never really had, like, I have to push him to make a list because he just like, he likes to make his own things and he doesn't really care for things. It's really different from when I was growing up. I wanted like everything. But he's just like, but this year he actually has a list, you guys. So I'm like, okay, I'm actually proud of him. Just like, you know, give me a list. Well, it's not even Santa anymore. He knows it's me at this point of his life. But I was like surprised that he had a list this year, because usually he's like, I don't care. Just whatever. So interesting to see them grow. This is a really good concealer. I love it. I'm gonna add a little bit more of that tint to my cheeks. I really don't need to add any more, but I want that monochromatic look to really shine through. Oh, it's so pretty. And it doesn't matter what you add on top of the lip, actually. If you add a clear gloss, it's fine. Like, you're not gonna get color everywhere because it's a stain. So it's not moving, and the gloss isn't gonna come off like colored on your hair, get everywhere, you know? So you can really just use this in any way you, oh, that is so much better. I'm just gonna add a little bit on my nose. That is so cute. I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and go over it. This is literally the most perfect blush, lip, cheek, eye color I have seen. Okay, I'm gonna set my under eyes really quick underneath my eyes and down the center of the face to make sure everything stays in place. That is the face. It's so pretty. I want to add a little bit more definition to my lips. I want them to look a little bit more plump. And this lip stain has a sister. It's actually a twin. This is the Peripera Ink Velvet Lip Liner in 01 Rosy Nude, and it matches perfectly. The liner kit is $15, which is such a good deal. And for my lips, I like to kind of overline starting here. And then for the sides of the lip, I'll just kind of stay with my natural lip shape. This is literally the perfect like nudie pink. I also like my lips to look a little bit more cleaner and defined, so that's why I like want to use a lip liner. This is so pretty. I love this like matte mauve tone, but I want to balance out the texture a little bit with a gloss. So Peripera has these ink glasting glosses in 3 shades: 01 Clear, 02 Edge Nude, and 03 Chilling Rose. And I really love the texture. The color is beautiful, it's long lasting. And my favorite shade personally is the 02 Edge Nude. But today I'm gonna use the clear one just because I really wanna show off how beautiful this mauve tone is. Also, these Peripera products that I'm using today are great stocking stuffers, Christmas gifts, and just the price point is great. It's affordable and accessible on Amazon, which is the best. All right, you guys, this is the final look. I'm so happy with how this came out. You guys can shop the Peripera products for 40% off during their holiday sale. It's from 12/12 through 12/18, and I will have a link in the description where you can check it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment below if you are going to be recreating this look, and if you do, please tag me in your photos. I love to see your guys' recreations of my videos. It makes my heart so happy. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. If you haven't seen these 2 videos to the side, if they haven't popped up yet, hopefully they have, make sure to check them out. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe so we can hang out every single week and you never miss a video from me. Also, don't forget that you are beautiful inside and out, and there's no one like you. I love you guys so much. Have the best time with your family and friends this holiday, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.